Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Olivia Virgiani, and this is my video for final test. Climate change, how do we know? Earth climate has changed throughout history. In the last 650,000 years, there have been 7 cycles of glacial advance and retreat. The last ice age ended about 12,000 years ago. This marked the beginning of the modern climate era and of human civilization. Most of these most of these climate changes are caused by very small variations in our orbit. These variations change the amount of solar energy our planet receives. The current warming trend is significant. Most of it is extremely likely greater than 95% probability to be the result of human activity since the mid-20th century. The warming trend is progressing at an unprecedented rate. Recent technological advances have allowed scientists to see the big picture. Scientists have been able to use new equipment such as Earth-orbiting satellites. With new technology, scientists have collected many different types of information about our planet. They have studied our climate on a global scale. They have collected data from many different locations on the globe. They have collected data over many years. The data shows that the climate is changing. We know that carbon dioxide and other gases are able to trap heat. In fact, we have known this since the mid-18th century. These gases affect the transfer of energy through the atmosphere. This fact is the basis of many instruments flown by NASA. There is no question that increased level of greenhouse gases cause the Earth to warm. Scientists have studied ice samples from Greenland, Antarctica, and tropical mountain glaciers. These ice samples show that Earth climates respond to change in greenhouse gas levels. The rings, ocean sediments, coral reefs, and layer of sedimentary rocks also hold evidence. This evidence reveals that current warming is occurring at a very fast rate. After the last ice age, there was a warming period. The Earth recovered from a cold climate and grow warmer. Scientists have calculated the average rate of warming after an ice age. Global warming today is happening roughly 10 times faster than the average rate of ice age recovery warming. Carbon dioxide from human activity is increasing more than 250 times faster than it did from natural source after the last ice age. Okay. The question. Number 1. How many cycles of glacial advance and retreat have occurred in the last 650,000 years? Okay, my answer is there have been 7 cycles of glacial advance and retreat. Okay, number 2. Look at the graph at the top of the article. For centuries up until the year 1950, atmospheric carbon dioxide has not been above. Okay, so my answer is the atmospheric carbon dioxide has not been above 300 Celsius. Okay, number 3, increased level of have been identified as a key source of the Earth warming. Okay, my answer is greenhouse gas. Okay, so the increased level of greenhouse gas have been identified as a key source of the Earth warming. Okay, number 4. Climate change is evident by change in. Okay, so my answer is rings, ocean sediment, coral reef, and layer of sedimentary rocks. Okay, number 5. Since 1969, the ocean surface has warmed by more than degrees Celsius. Okay, so my answer is 70. I count from 1970 to the current level, from 340 to 410. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.